Watching out for you. Student loan debt is something many Americans face, but the Department of Education last week extended the pause on federal student loan payments once again. And News 5's Ashley Portillo spoke to an expert about what exactly this means, and she joins us live from the UCCS campus with more. Ashley.
Allison, for a college graduate, that means that their payments will resume in October. So today I spoke to an expert here at UCCS about why that decision was made and what graduates can do to stay on track. According to a UCCS economic expert, there is nearly $1.7 trillion in student loan debt in America. But the issue is nothing new.
Even during good economic times, prior to COVID-19, 1 in 7 borrowers were 90 days delinquent on their loans.
The problem only exaggerated during the pandemic. That's why President Joe Biden directed the Department of Education to pause student loan payments.
The government knows that especially young people can get hit harder, right, because they're not earning as much.
Tatiana Bailey is the director of the UCCS Economic Forum. And she says
it's probably a good move just from a financial stability standpoint, not only for the individuals and households that have student loans, but also for the federal government.
Karina Mosaic graduated in August of last year, right in the middle of the pandemic. She's one of the many whose jobs have been impacted and loans deferred.
I had gotten moved to part-time with my job. There's just a lot of insecurity, and that's why not paying has helped.
But what should borrowers do now? Bailey recommends to take advantage of 0% interest, don't waste money, prioritize your bills, and keep paying your loans if you can.
And we were able to get our full-time hours back, and so actually starting next month, I'm wanting to pick back up on those payments in that way that I don't get too left behind.
Bye. That expert also mentioned if you're considering refinancing your student loans, just be sure to ask a lot of questions and make sure you pay very close attention to that interest rate because you could end up paying more so in the long run. Always watching out for you. Colorado Springs, I'm Ashley Portillo, News 5.